In the first recorded segment, for question 5 of Unit 19, we saw how to use a kind of trick to find the value today of payments of $100,000 in each of a number of different circumstances. $100,000 paid now, when we're 40, is worth $100,000. $100,000 paid 1 year from now, when we're 41, is worth $95,238, because that's the amount that, if it sat in a savings account for 1 year, would grow to $100,000. The value of a payoff of $100,000 when we're 45, that is 5 years from now, is $78,353, because $78,353 in a savings account for 5 years at 5% grows to $100,000. We definitely will get the $100,000, or at least our heirs will. But the value of the $100,000 could be anything from the full $100,000 to only $8,720 if we die at age 90. To find the value of the life insurance policy, we simply weight each of these possible values by the chance of it having that value. What's the chance that the life insurance policy will have the value 8720? That's the chance that we'll die at age 90. How many different years are there in which we might die? A simple but incorrect answer would be to take 90, subtract 40, and say that there are 50 possibilities. But really there are 51. We might die at age 40, or 1 year later at 41, 2 years later at 42, or up to 50 years later at age 90. That is, now, or 1 year later, 2 years later, or anything up to 50 years later. That's 1 plus 50 more possibilities, 51 possibilities in all. If we have an even chance of dying in each year, then the chance of dying in any 1 year is 1 over 51. Formatting that as a percentage, we can see that that's approximately a 1.96 chance of dying in any particular year. So now, we'll weight each of the dollar amounts. This is the value of a $100,000 payoff when we're 90, by the chance of our getting the payoff at that time, 1.96%. Adding these together gives us an average, which is the value of the policy overall. We get the total in the usual way, starting a running sum at 0 and adding on each individual amount in turn. The life insurance policy might be worth $100,000. It might be worth $87.20, or any of these amounts in between. The average value, however, is $37,756.72. And therefore, that's the fair value of the life insurance policy right now.